We are going to make this heart garland made from scrap fabric, and the beauty of it is you can adapt it to any holiday, and it's very easy for beginners, and you can really get your little one involved in helping as well. You'll need scrap fabric, embroidery floss, a water-soluble marker, filling, pins, zigzag shears, and you'll also want a sewing machine if you're not sewing this by hand. You're going to start by just drawing a heart on some fabric that has been folded in half. I'm using scrap fabric and just hand drawing the heart. If you want a more uniform heart, you can print out a heart shape and just trace around it. And I'm using a water-soluble pin so that it will wash away after I sew it together. Pin these layers together so you can sew around the entire heart shape. Leave 2 inches on the left side open so you can use that later to fill it with stuffing. Roughly cut around your heart shape so it's easy for you to fill the heart with stuffing, and once you feel like it's at a good place, you can sew up the opening by hand or with a machine. Once this is sewn, just cut around the entire shape with your zigzag shears to make sure it doesn't fray and it gives it a little detail. Next, use an embroidery needle and embroidery floss to thread through each heart shape. And then all you have to do is finish your other hearts and string them all together and hang it up wherever you like. I love that this was made entirely out of scrap fabric. Even the filling was recycled from an old pillow. So I really think you can get creative with this project and use it for so many different holidays.